Here's a way to test your UMG Widgets functionality directly in the widget itself without running the game. I believe this plugin was added around Unreal 5.5, so that's the first requirement. Let's go ahead and enable it, and although I didn't hit any snags with it so far, keep in mind it is in experimental. Then, for turning this on, by direct console command, UMG enable preview mode 1 or CVARs. Otherwise, if you want it to be permanent upon every project launch, make sure default engine INI is not read-only, so your changes get saved, and add the same line as before. And checking it again, going to the preview tab, and then it plays the logic of the button here, even print string nodes in the output log, and widget animations as well if you have any. Otherwise, you might prefer to use the new widget preview asset, which does pretty much the same thing, but with a bit more bells and whistles, and still much faster than booting the game, getting to your specific menu, and so forth. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.